Here I have a PS4. It's really dirty inside. It's shutting down due to overheating, and that's because it's very dirty and the airflow is not working. Also has other issues, so I'll be showing you all
So
about it.
here I have another PS4. It says the fan will not run, when it's shutting off because of overheating. So we'll be having a look and seeing what's wrong with this. Plug it in. Okay. Oh yeah, it's not running for sure. I can't even spin. Better turn this off right away. That was trying to spin, and it's really, really stiff. It's really, really stiff there. So there is a security screw underneath the tape right here, and then oh my goodness, look at this. No wonder why it locked up. It was filled with dirt. And this goes to the fan. Okay? Here, so we'll just remove that. And then I'm going to remove all the circuitry here. Look at all this.
So the issue is this CPU fan does not spin at all. The bearings are shot, so we have to order a brand new PS4 fan, and so I will be installing that, and this will fix our issue. So you can find the code on the metal bracket on the CPU fan to find out what fan you can order to match your PS4. And then there are two little screws that hold it into place. Now all we have to do is reassemble the PS4 and then see if it's gonna overheat again. We can see the CPU fan is running very smoothly and it's very quiet. And when I turned it on, you can see it's working with the logo there, and it loads no problem. Played a couple games and it's not overheating. So if you enjoy electronics, you can subscribe, and I will see you in the next repair video.